Personalization is only as good as the content behind it. In Brightspot, serving different content to different audiences is something your editors can set up and manage themselves without ever leaving the CMS. Brightspot provides audiences and variations. Audiences are how you define your visitor segments: who's tech lead, who's the Asia Pacific viewer, and so on and so on. Variations are the content you create for each of these segments. The two work together. You define the audiences, create a variation for your content, and Brightspot handles the rest at delivery time. Here's an example. Here's an existing audience called Tech Leads. I've scoped it to landing pages as the content type group. And it's applied across these three sites: Demo, Brightspot, and Knowledge Management. The key is the target. This is how Brightspot knows who's who. You've got several built-in options here. You have URL parameter, cookie, device category, day of week, HTTP header, and more. This one here in particular uses the parameter target. The parameter name is AUD. The value here is TL. So anyone arriving with AUD equals TL in the URL gets identified as a tech lead. And this is also your integration point with the broader marketing stack. Whether you're pushing signals from a CDP like Segment or Salesforce Data Cloud or a DMP or your own identity layer, you pass that through via a cookie parameter or a header or a URL parameter, and then Brightspot picks that up and serves the right content to the right segment. Now let's talk about variations and see how that actually look on a page, on a landing page. On this landing page, I can flip between the default view, which is this one right here, in the way that it's arranged right now, and the tech leads variation. So let's find the tech leads variation right here. So this is still the same object. It is the same landing page, but it's a different flavor. It's a different variation. And it's not just the full pages that this applies to. You can create variations at the article level or even at the module level within a page. So you can personalize a hero, a CTA, a product shelf, whatever makes sense for that audience. One page, multiple experiences, each one built for a specific segment. That's audience and variations. It's the right content for the right person without ever leaving the CMS.